Hey everyone! Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description to visit the official Sugar Defender website. This is where you can get the real deal. No fakes, no scams, just the original, high-quality formula. Now, let's talk about Sugar Defender, the powerful and effective blood sugar support and all-day energy booster that thousands of people are using with incredible results. People who take Sugar Defender daily have reported less hunger, more energy, and better blood sugar readings, and here's the best part, not a single complaint so far. That says a lot about the quality of this product. So, what makes Sugar Defender so effective? This formula is made from carefully selected, premium ingredients that work with your body to support healthy blood sugar levels. It's manufactured in a state-of-the-art facility that follows strict quality control protocols, so you can trust what you're putting into your body. Sugar Defender meets FDA guidelines, meaning it's tested for safety and effectiveness. Taking Sugar Defender is super easy. Here's how. Take 2 full droppers under your tongue before breakfast. Hold it there for 30 seconds before swallowing. This helps your body absorb it faster. If the taste is a bit strong for you, just mix 2 droppers in a glass of water. You can drink it all at once or split it into 2 servings throughout the day. Either way, you're going to love the results and feel the difference with each drop. And get this, Sugar Defender comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. That means you can try it completely risk-free. If you don't see results, you get your money back, no questions asked. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description now to order Sugar Defender today. Take control of your energy and blood sugar levels with a product that really works. I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.